Hi guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video we are doing something which I think you guys are gonna find really interesting. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a face pack. Now this face pack is going to be using only have like 4 ingredients. I'm so sorry guys, I'm gonna try because I have 2 cats here, so I'm gonna try and get them to not come. But so this one is Zoe. Zoe, say hi. Say hi on the camera. She's just here for the milk. So she is not supposed to have milk. Cats in general are not supposed to have milk. But yeah, they both are just sitting here. And I think Zoe is gonna try to come again and again. So I think, I think this is what we're gonna have to work with. So yeah, let's get started with this face pack. It's a very simple recipe. So first I'm just gonna, so this is your normal aloe vera gel. This is the Patanjali one. I just got it from the market. Yeah, personally I don't like using them, so I actually don't use this gel. My reason being, my whole point to say all this is I don't use this at all. I just got this for the recipe so that if you want to use something store-bought, it is, it's possible. I don't use this. I use my own aloe vera gel which I make at home. Again, if you want to learn how to do that, I have a workshop on that. So you might want to go check that out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can check that out in the description. Okay, so we're gonna be taking around like a spoonful. Okay, around like a spoonful. That's good. And into this I'm gonna add in some, actually first let's add the powders because I have only 1 spoon. So first we'll add the powders and then we'll add the milk in no particular order, guys. It's just, we are just adding these 4 ingredients together. This is what I have here is sandalwood powder. So we're gonna be adding in like 1/4 of a teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is really good for brightening your skin. If you have oily skin, sandalwood powder is really good for that as well. And then with that, the other powder that we are adding is this is bentonite clay, or also known as multani mitti. This, guys, really helps to again brighten your face. Now both these powders, sandalwood and bentonite clay, they are sort of drying. Okay, so they can dry your skin out a little bit, but yeah, you can just moisturize your face after that. Adding in around half a teaspoon of this bentonite clay. Okay, which is why we are pairing this up with aloe vera gel and milk, because these powders are slightly drying. So you want to add something that is less drying and more hydrating in your face pack, right? So we're going to be adding in around 2 spoons of milk. Now guys, what I am using is skim milk, but I would highly recommend that you use full fat milk. Now once you have this mixture, you're just gonna want to mix it. You might need more gel, or not gel, you might need more milk, or you might need more of the aloe vera gel if you feel your consistency is not thick enough. We're going to be adding in some more milk, so it's around 3 spoons. Okay, 4 spoons. I'm not gonna say tablespoons, it's just your normal eating wala spoons. So what happens is these powders, okay, they soak up a lot of water. If you know clay, what does clay do? Clay absorbs a lot of water. So that's why you will see even after adding the water, the clay is just gonna soak it up, right? So yeah, you can figure out if you want more water, you can add more water. You want to reduce the amount of water, you can do that as well. And guys, this face pack, you can't keep it and apply later. You have to apply it after making it, and you want to just apply like this and let it stay. Okay, I hope it's visible. And you know the ingredients, guys. There is nothing very harmful or dangerous in this face pack, so you can apply this even on sensitive skin. Although the aloe vera gel, I might want you to reconsider. Check if the aloe vera gel is suiting your skin and your face in general. If yes, then go for it, then you have nothing to worry about. Instead of the aloe vera gel, you could also use aloe vera extracts and stuff. But yeah, if you want to learn those kind of formulations where you are using extracts, preservatives, fragrances, making something from scratch, you can join my workshop. On Arali, we have a face pack making workshop, and guys, the face packs there are so good. There is one which is the jelly face pack, and oh my god, guys, it is so like, I can't tell you, it is so amazing. Instant results. Like, I won't even say wait for 1 day, 2 days. Instant. You put it, leave it for 5-10 minutes, and then when you wash it off, you're gonna have like such a beautiful glowing face. I hope you guys enjoyed this face pack, and if you guys make it, let me know in the comments. Also, if you make it, tag us. Our Insta handle is Arali Workshops. I'll leave that also in the description. That's it for the video, guys. Stay tuned for a lot more skincare DIY videos. I will be uploading them one by one, as in how I'm able to film. Hopefully twice or thrice a week I should be able to do it. Do subscribe to my channel, guys. It would mean the world to me, and also hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next skincare DIY video. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.